Welcome to the High Desert Nature Museum. Gems and Minerals. The High Desert Nature Museum has something for its local and out-of-town visitors, both young and old. With the museum's ever-changing seasonal displays, its taxidermy and cultural dioramas, the High Desert Nature Museum serves as a gateway into the region's natural and cultural history and heritage, and has done so since its founding in 1964. Today, however, we are going to be taking a look at 3 different specimens from the museum's gem and mineral collection. The first specimen is Amethyst. Amethyst is a violet variety of quartz often used in jewelry, and its name comes from the ancient Greeks. Amethyst is a semi-precious stone and is the traditional birthstone of February. The next specimen is copper. Copper is a soft, malleable, and ductile metal with very high thermal and electrical conductivity. It has been in use for a very long time, dating all the way back to 8,000 years BC. The last specimen is a beautiful example of petrified wood. Petrified wood is fossilized remains of a tree or a tree-like plant. This process occurs in an underground oxygen-free environment, where over time, minerals replace the original material. The High Desert Nature Museum has so much more to offer. Come on down and visit for yourself.